Hello, YouTube friends, Facebook friends, camping on Nolichucky River. Other people camping out here at my friend's place, 5 acres. Got my tent set up for a bathroom. Going to be cooking on charcoal. No charcoal grill, just a pie pan. Charcoal, set a skillet on it. Fry some hot dogs with oil and some bread. Camping in my van. Got all my stuff up front, blanket, cooler, another cooler, suitcase of clothes, bed, refrigerator, laptop. Laptop works off my cell phone hotspot. Solar power. 1,000-watt power inverter. Charge controller. 13.2 amps coming in. 3 batteries. Electric lamp I can plug up off the solar. Got flashlights put up for light. 200-watt panels. 2 antennas. 2 antennas for ham radio and CB. I talk on amateur radio. So I got my van set up, a GMC Safari. Flashlight back there. Flashlight. I use batteries in those flashlights. My solar carries the refrigerator. Electric hot plate. But I can cook on charcoal or a Coleman stove. On the banks of the Nolichucky River. Tent set up for a bathroom. Solar panels on the van. Out here camping, getting ready to fry some hot dogs. Thank y'all for watching. That's Lulu, the pit bull Lulu. Please click like on the video and I'll be back with something else.